Hello students, we'll see the next problem under the operating costing. Okay, three examples problems are over, right? Next we'll see the question bank problem. Okay, see the question number 48 and page number 48 and question number 3. Page number 48 and question number 3. Calculation of passenger kilometer per month. Okay, see, Vivek Travels has 4 buses operating between two cities, Mangalore and Kollur, which are 140 kilometers apart. Each bus makes 2 trips a day. The seating capacity is 50 seats. On an average, 80% seats are occupied. Calculate passenger kilometers for the month of July 2009, in which each bus was laid down for 6 days for repair. Okay. Now see calculation of the passenger kilometers per month. Okay. What's the under this say 4 buses, right? 4 buses. They operated between the Mangalore and Kolluru, which the distance between the Mangalore and Kolluru is 140 kilometers. Each bus makes 2 trips. 2 trips is nothing but okay. Once from Mangalore to Kollur, right? Once from Mangalore to Kollur, again Kollur to Mangalore. This is the one trip. Again Mangalore to Kollur and Kollur to Mangalore. This is the 2 trips. Okay. First trip and this is the second trip. So there are 2 trips. So now total kilometers, each bus, the seating capacity is how much? 50 seats. On an average, 80% seats are occupied. Total capacity of the bus is for 50 seats. 50 members can sit in the bus, but only the 80% will be filled. I calculate passenger kilometers for the month of July 2009, in which each bus was laid down for 6 days for repair. 6 days. Total 31 days in July, right? In that 6 days, the bus is not running because of the repairs, right? So 30 total days of the bus run is 30 divided by 31st minus 6. So now, how to calculate? See, calculation of passenger kilometer per month, number of buses into distance into number of trips into capacity occupied into number of days used. Under the number of buses, how much? 4 buses into distance 140 kilometers into 2, right? 140 from Mangalore to Kollur, once 140, again to come back. Okay, Kollur to Mangalore 140, so 140 into 2, like that 2 trips. So 140 into 2 into 2, right? Once Mangalore to Kollur. Okay, again Kollur to Mangalore. This is the one trip. So 140 into 2. Again like this 2 trips, right? So 140 into 2 into 2. Okay. Next capacity, total capacity 50 into 80%. Only 80% will be filled. And the number of days 31 days minus 6. 6 includes 6 days. The bus was laid down for the repairs. Okay. Now total is 4 into 280 into 2 into 40 into 25 equal to 22,40,000 passenger kilometer. 22,40,000 passenger kilometers. Okay. Next we'll see the one more problem. See page number 48 and question number 2, the previous problem. Okay, you just neglect your question numbers. Okay, I will tell this is not the exact question number as per your question bank. Okay, page number 48 and question number 2, SRS Travels. Okay, see, SRS Travels operates a 40-seat capacity Volvo bus in a month of follows. First column capacity, next one capacity from to distance. First one see from 10 days. Okay, capacity full. First of 10 days capacity is full, and from Kundapur to Hassan. The distance is 160 kilometers. Then next 15 days, 75% capacity from Kundapur to Hubli, 250 kilometers. Next 5 days capacity 60% from Kundapur to Mangalore, distance 100 kilometer. The total operating cost for the month is 3 77,000. Ascertain cost per passenger kilometer. Ascertain the cost per passenger kilometer. Now see, first there are three types, three ways are there, right? One is Kundapur to Hassan. In the previous video only one way, so only once we can calculate the passenger. Here different three ways are there, so different separately we need to find out the passenger kilometer, and at last we can add it. See, first one, Kundapur to Hassan. Okay, first 10 days, right? So first 10 days equal to Kundapur to Hassan distance how much? 160. Again to come back Hassan to Kundapur, 160 into 2 into days is how much is given. First 10 days into 10 into capacity of the bus is how much? 40 into capacity full, right? So into 40 only, right? So 160 into 2 is the kilometers, into 10 days, and the 40 into 100%, that is 1,28,000 passenger kilometers. Next one, Kundapur to Mangalore. Kundapur to Hubli, passengers kilometers for 15 days. Under this also kilometer is 250 kilometers into 2 into days 15 days into 40 into 75%, right? Capacity, see, only 75% of the capacity of the bus is filled. So total capacity 40 into in that 75%. So total is 2,25,000 passenger kilometers. Next one, Kundapur to Mangalore. Now Kundapur to Mangalore, passengers for 5 days. Okay, 100 into kilometers, 100 into 2 into days 5 into capacity fill is of 60%, so 40 into 60%, the total is 24,000 passenger kilometers. Now total passenger kilometer 1,28,000 plus 2,25,000 plus 24,000, total 3,77,000 passenger kilometers. 3,77,000 passenger kilometers. Next, under this say, not only they ask to calculate the passenger kilometers, but they told to ascertain the cost per passenger kilometer. Not only the passenger kilometers, but cost per, for 1 kilometer how much will be the cost, that need to find out. So total cost is given in the problem, right? How much? 3,77,000 divided by, now he calculated the passenger kilometers, right? That should be divided. See, cost of operating cost per passenger kilometer equal to operating cost divided by passenger kilometers. Operating cost is how much? It's given in the problem, 3,77,000 divided by passenger kilometers, just calculated, it's also same, 3,77,000. So cost per passenger kilometer is rupees 1 per passenger kilometer, only rupees 1 per passenger kilometer. Okay, this is about the problems and to problem under the operating costing. Only the distance and the trips, number of trips and the capacity, these things need to multiply, then we will get the answer. Okay, now we'll see the some other problems under the next class. Thank you.